Step into the Kia 2019 Sportage EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 181 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.